And guys, look at my dice rolls and money. It's actually generating. What's up fellas, and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I got unlimited dice rolls and money for a Monopoly Go game, absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop and type in search Monopoly Go and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys. And now we'll have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. So let me enter mine quickly. Press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is select our dice and money amount. So I will go with the maximum. So let me click continue, guys. Let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Monopoly Go game, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with the new tutorials. Let's go to the next step. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher of the app or download it, complete the task. Each task you have description, what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download TikTok and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting text, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. We still have this message and redirecting. So let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the boat check. Dice rolls and money are on the way, guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game and let's see, does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Okay. And guys, look at my dice rolls and money. It's actually generating this hack working amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.